Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone. The easiest way and most recommended method to transfer WhatsApp recommendation from Android to iPhone is a reliable tool. When a new iPhone comes out, there is no doubt that many Android users may tend to change their Samsung or Huawei to new iOS device. The method 1. Copy WhatsApp chat from Android to iPhone using history backup. For electronics enthusiasts, they may know that using the built-in backup function can help to copy and move WhatsApp chats. However, many other users don't know this feature. Here, we will describe the details. First, on your Android, go to WhatsApp. Tap on the three dots and select Settings. Tap on Chats and select Chat Backup and then tap on Backup button. You will need to uninstall WhatsApp in your old Android phone, then open it on the new iPhone. Sign in WhatsApp with your original account. There will be a pop-up that tells you to restore the backup files which are stored in WhatsApp Cloud. A few moments later, you will find that you have successfully restored WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone. Now, you can enjoy WhatsApp on iPhone too. Another method, move WhatsApp conversations from Android to iPhone using Move to iOS. Have you ever heard of this app, Move to iOS? It is developed by Apple company. You can install it to your Android phone from Google Play and use it to move Android files to iPhone easily. Using this software, you can easily transfer messages from Android to iPhone. First, download and install Move to iOS on your Android device to Play Store. You will need to accept the terms and conditions. Then you will see the Find Your Code screen. Next, set up your iPhone till you see the Move from Android screen. Wait for the 10-digit or 6-digit code appear. Note that if you have set up the device, you will need to factory reset it first. Enter the code on your Android phone, then select the files you want to transfer to iPhone and wait for the whole process finishes. This method only works well when you need to change to a new iPhone. If there is already much data in your iPhone, it may cause data loss. And the last option, the last method, transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone free using email. Using email to transfer WhatsApp messages is also an easy solution. There are not too many steps. Just follow this. Open WhatsApp, tap on the three dots, and select Settings. Tap on Chat Settings. Scroll down again and tap on Chat History. Then, select the WhatsApp chat history files you want to transfer, and you can also choose to attach media or without media. Next, you will go to the sending page and make sure you have already logged in your WhatsApp on the new iPhone. Then, send the chat history to it. You will not be able to view the chat history on WhatsApp like before. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.